So guys, there's something really strange about my house, but there's something to reason. And I'm in Universal Studios. I'm in California. I live in California. As you can see, this is California. I live in California. This is my house in California.
Right. I can imagine not believing God. What frustrates me about people that are not believers is that they want to pick the Bible apart.
But
They say, I believe that, right? I don't believe
Cat
that.
kind of Sterling is
It's either all truth or it's
in the
all
movie
false.
Five Nights at Freddy's, but then she's my mom.
Christianity to me
But
means
this
a
is
lot
her
of different
house.
things. It's very complicated. I think that God has certain
I
criteria
did something
for
really
people
wrong.
that want to follow Him, and
And
that is act like a lady, don't do things
Max
that
says
are not so wholesome or pure, and always
office.
maintain your integrity.
About
That's Kashif. Come here.
Rebecca.
You want to see Kashif?
This is a mess. This is a giant freaking mess. This is just crap. As you can see, the hose is unhooked, piece, stone tool, brush, and this. This shark was brand new, but now it's destroyed. Cord, secret zane, hoses unhooked. But I can't believe this happened. My Orc XL is unzipped, and the cord, and this green vac shop vac is destroyed. I mean, everything's come to park. The hose, bag, and my little bristle 3-in-1 turbo vacuum is destroyed. This is unhooked, but this is on, but this right here, and this, the cord is unhooked, and my Eureka is destroyed. Bare floor, it's not on a bare floor. This is unhooked. Cord is messed up. I can't believe this happened. This was Abby's fault. Abby is upstairs. Can't believe she done this mess. But now I have to clean it up. Let's clean this mess up. This is back. I have to rewind this cord. I can't believe Abby made a mess in Max's house. Mike is outside talking with Max. If she wanted a ring, I'll give her a ring. But it's only $500. I'm in California, so Max lives in California, but I'm in California. I'm in California. Pick up this giant mess. Change it into high floor. But I don't know why Abby calls my mom named Max, but she's Max and my mom calls her Maxine, but that's not her real name. It's Max. And she's my mom because she is in California. I can't believe that Abby made a mess, but still, Abby is my sister. Abby's upstairs. and Mike passed away. Shoot. There. It's... Oh, shoot. Wrong way. Stupid. Flipped up. I can't believe Abby made a mess. Some of these are my vacuums, some of these are Max's vacuums. This is my vacuum. This is Mike's vacuum. My vacuum. Max's. Mine. Max. She made a mess. Oh, shoot. Abby messed up the belt. No, she did. I was just tricking you guys. Oh my god, my middle finger messed up. But this is the version of Red Turbo. Now I need to butter. There. Makes a giant mess. Abby. Oh, Abby. I didn't cause the mess. That was Abby. Yeah, but I should have not told on Abby on Mike. As you can see,